In today's video, I will teach you how to open PSD or Photoshop files in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Photopea website. Now we're going to upload the PSD file. To do this, click on File in the top menu, then select Open, or simply drag and drop your PSD file into the Photopea workspace. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl-O or Command-O to open the file dialog. Then locate the PSD file on your computer and click Open. Now we're going to edit your PSD. Once the file is open, you can start editing your PSD file directly in Photopea. All the layers, text, effects, and other elements will be preserved, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. And now we're going to save and export your work. If you want to save your work as a PSD file again, simply go to File, then Save as PSD. And to export your project in a different format, like PNG or JPEG, go to File, then select Export As, and choose your preferred file format. And this is how easy it is to open and edit PSD files directly in Photopea, making it a convenient tool for working with Photoshop files without needing Photoshop itself. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.